So here's the Generac 20 kilowatt all-weather aluminum. This video is specifically focusing on when the generator is throwing you an error. Any type of error. Could be 2400 fuse problem, 2800 failed to start. It could be caused by different types of events, but essentially what you need to do is, first of all, this light will be red here. Okay, this is going to be red. Now it's green because I reset it. But what you're going to do, really, if there is an error, all you need to do is press off. Yeah, then you clear the error by pressing enter. Okay, and then you just basically go back to auto. You can test it by pressing manual. Let's test it out. So there you go. There is an error, you press off, enter, and then back to auto, ready to run. And you just make sure that this light is back to green. Right, thank you for watching. If you like, please click like and share.